For centuries, the rhythmic clang of the blacksmith's hammer has echoed through workshops, a testament to the age-old craft of manipulating metal. Blacksmithing, the art of shaping and hardening iron, has long relied on the strength and skill of the smith. Yet, even the most powerful arms tire, and the finesse of detail work requires more than muscle alone. Enter the power hammer, a machine that revolutionized blacksmithing, amplifying the smith's strength and enabling the creation of larger, more intricate pieces. A power hammer is not merely a tool, it's an extension of the blacksmith's will. Imagine a massive arm, tirelessly raising and dropping a heavy hammer head with controlled force. This is the essence of the power hammer. Its components, the anvil, the hammerhead, the driving mechanism, work in harmony to deliver blows far mightier than any human could achieve. Yet this brute strength is harnessed with precision. The speed and force of the hammer are adjustable, allowing the blacksmith to deliver delicate taps or earth-shattering blows as needed. Before the power hammer can work its magic, the metal must be made malleable. This is where the forge, the blacksmith's fiery furnace, comes into play. Heating the metal to the proper temperature is crucial. Too cool, and the metal will resist shaping, risking cracks and imperfections. Too hot, and the metal structure weakens, potentially ruining the piece. The experienced blacksmith judges the metal's temperature by its color, a glowing orange indicating readiness for the hammer. With the metal glowing hot, the true dance between smith and machine begins. The power hammer becomes an extension of the blacksmith's touch, shaping the metal with each blow. The rhythmic pounding echoes through the workshop, a testament to the power being harnessed. The blacksmith guides the metal beneath the hammer, manipulating its form with practiced movements, flattening, drawing out, bending. Each action requires a delicate understanding of the metal's response to heat and force. Refining the form, precision in every blow. As the initial shaping takes place, the blacksmith transitions from broad strokes to finer details. Here, the power hammer's adjustable force becomes essential. Lighter blows refine curves, while carefully placed strikes add texture and detail. The blacksmith's eye becomes critical, constantly assessing the metal's form and adjusting the hammer's impact accordingly. It's a dance of power and precision, a testament to the blacksmith's skill in manipulating the metal's flow. The cooling embrace. Tempering for strength. Once the desired shape is achieved, the metal must be cooled and hardened. This process, known as tempering, involves heating the metal once more, then rapidly cooling it in water or oil. Tempering alters the metal's internal structure, increasing its hardness and durability. The power hammer, while not directly involved in tempering, plays a crucial role in ensuring the metal is evenly heated and shaped prior to this critical step. A symphony of sparks, grinding and shaping. With the metal cooled and hardened, the focus shifts to refining the piece's surface. Grinding wheels, powered by belts connected to the power hammer's mechanism, come into play. These abrasive wheels smooth away rough edges, refine curves, and prepare the surface for final finishing. Sparks fly as the grinding wheel bites into the metal, a testament to the blacksmith's dedication to achieving a flawless form. The finishing touches, polishing to perfection. The final stage of the transformation involves polishing the piece to a gleaming finish. This meticulous process might involve hand sanding, buffing with specialized compounds, or even applying protective coatings. While the power hammer may not be directly involved in these final steps, its role in shaping and refining the metal lays the groundwork for this final flourish. Beyond the forge, the legacy of the power hammer. The power hammer's impact extends far beyond the blacksmith's workshop. Its invention revolutionized metalworking, enabling the creation of everything from intricate gates and railings to tools and machinery. The mass production made possible by power hammers fueled industrial growth, shaping the world we live in today. Conclusion: from raw potential to artistic triumph. The journey from raw metal to a finished masterpiece is a testament to both the power of the machine and the skill of the artisan. The power hammer, with its brute strength and surprising delicacy, acts as a conduit between the blacksmith's vision and the metal's potential. Each clang of the hammer, each carefully placed blow, speaks to the enduring legacy of this remarkable machine, a testament to the enduring partnership between human ingenuity and mechanical force.